14. Convert 2,500 gallons per hour to cubic inches per second. We're given that 1 cubic foot is equal to 7.48 gallons. Okay, so we have 2,500 gallons per hour. Make sure this is a fraction. My goodness, okay, 2,500 gallons in 1 hour, and we're going to convert that. We want to convert gallons to cubic inches. So we have a certain number of cubic inches per second. So we have a certain number of seconds. So we convert 2,500 gallons to a number of cubic inches. We convert 1 hour to seconds, and then we can divide them to get our final answer. Okay, so looking at just the numerator, I have that x cubic inches, it's a fraction, for 2,500 gallons, and they tell us the number of cubic feet per gallon. So we actually can't go this directly. So we are going to need to make a plan here. So if I get rid of this for a second, my 2,500 gallon, I can't go directly to inches, but I can go to cubic feet. So I'm going to, let's just say F for feet. And that will get me to my cubic inches, because I do know between feet and inches. Okay, so looking ahead here, if I look at my denominator, I also may not know exactly how many seconds are in an hour, so I could do that as well. I have 1 hour, and the middle time is going to be minutes. And I already know that 1 hour is 60 minutes, so then I would just need to convert 60 minutes into seconds. Okay, looking at x first. Okay, so first I need to have F cubic feet for 2,500 gallons. Compare that to the rate they give us, that 1 cubic foot is equal to 7.48 gallons. So we multiply both sides by my 2,500 gallons. So that's all going to cancel out on the left side. On the right side, just my gallons are going to cancel out. So I have 1 times 2,500, and then I'm going to divide that by 7.48 to get the number of cubic feet. So when I do that, I get 334.2246 cubic feet. Okay, so now I've got to change these, I can change this F into 334.2246. Now I need to try to change this cubic feet into cubic inches. Now in example, let's see, what's example 12, we already did find the conversion between cubic feet and cubic inches, so if you need to see how that's done, you can go back and look at that example. I'm going to go ahead and give that here. So we have x cubic inches for 334.2246 cubic feet. And in example 12, we found that for 1 cubic foot was equal to 1,728 cubic inches. Okay, so multiply both sides by that denominator, 334.2246 cubic feet. And I get that x cubic inches equal to 334.2246 times my 1,728 and divided by 1, so that's not going to change the outcome, cubic inches. And 334.2246 times 1,728 is going to give you 577, 540.107 cubic inches. Okay. So now I can put that here for x, 577, 540.107. Okay, so now I have the numerator here, so working on the denominator. I have y seconds, fraction, seconds for 60 minutes. And I know that there are 60 seconds in 1 minute. Multiply both sides by the 60 minutes. So completely cancels on the left, and then the minutes cancel on the right. So that gives me that y seconds is equal to 60 times 60 seconds. And 60 times 60 is 3,600 seconds. So y 1 hour is going to equal 3,600 seconds. Okay, so now we can go back and we can replace what we know. So I know that x is equal to 577,540.107. I know that y is equal to 3,600. So now I can find this unit rate by dividing my x divided by y. And when I divide that, I get roughly 160.43 cubic inches per second.